What up, y'all? I got a wild hair up my ass today, and I think I'm coming pressure wash the old RV. I'm tired of looking at it with all that gribble tail all over it. Let's see this shit fire up, y'all. Ah, come on, man. There we go. Wow. Like a glove. Give y'all a full walk around of how dirty that motherfucker is. Doing a preliminary wash with that 30-second cleaner, y'all. Just douched what little I had left, letting that soak. Oh, shit. Man, wind caught it in my mouth. Ooh, coming out good, y'all. Just about wrapped up with it, y'all. Looks 10 times better. Now my old lady says she'll go camping in the wide body T-van. All right, y'all. Now that I'm done washing it, like I just told my old lady, make it easier to tinker with it now, because this thing was disgusting. But I'm gonna come get these little corner pieces off and these fog lights that look gross with the wires hanging. Gotta find that. Go ahead, chop them off, get this off. Honestly, it looks way better, yeah, than a crack piece. Looks so much better already, y'all. All right, y'all, while that RV is clean, got the front cleaned up. Oh, yeah. No more lights, no more broken fiberglass. Gonna ride golf cart right quick.
What y'all doing? What's up, y'all? What y'all doing today? Dawson, Sawyer, Silver.
Smash that sub.
Yeah.
Tell them that.
Smash that sub.
This freaking OBS has been sitting for entirely too long because the starter went out. So getting ready to pop this thing on the lift, change the starter. I went ahead and bought a brand new AC Delco unit because it was like $10 more than O'Reilly's house brand starter. Why not put that AC Delco original Jubin there? Honestly, the first time I've been under here since I LS swapped, and it still looks pretty nice. All right, y'all, pop the new AC Delco starter in. Let's go test that, because whenever this starter messed up, it literally turned over the engine, I guess in the middle of the night, and drained the battery. And whenever I charge the battery and put it in, hook the positive cable up, so let's go check that battery. I've been charging it for a while. See if this battery is even good anymore. All right, that's a 12,690 cold cranking ounce. Poor. 78, it killed that battery. That starter destroyed it. Son of a gun. Alright, y'all, luckily for me, I had another battery laying around. This one tests good with 793 cold cranking amps. More than it's rated for. Let's go throw this in. Alright, battery is in. I must have the key on because I hear stuff on it here. Come on, you bastard. Nice. Alright, y'all, went riding around town a little bit, killed it, cranked it, killed it, cranked it, and starter's doing what it's supposed to do. But I ain't gonna lie, I forgot how slow that motherfucker was, yeah. After doing the 6.0 and that 68, that thing a dog, yeah. That gold wing faster than that thing. Alright, y'all, doing a little rearranging in the shop. Discovered I ain't gonna be using this bed, so we're gonna get it up in there, put that in the back of Leroy and go scrap that motherfucker. That'll open up ample room right here. I can scoot that cab over. And yeah, that's it. Hey Dennis. Damage level 100. Dennis looks like he has 16 fives right now. Yeah, y'all square body dudes could quit crying because look, we're doing square body stuff. Got it parked in the back. We're about to get hit with rain. Y'all, somebody that bed ain't flying off yet. Crushed it.
Oh, the tailgate, dude. Oh, the tailgate, dude. Oh, man.
Straight into the truck, no. Couple OBS's. Look at this unit. Dude, that's a either 67 or 68 Galaxy, I think, huh? Like I had. All right, y'all, back in the garage. from the scrap yard, moving some stuff around. It's this car's turn to fix this little knickknacks. I want everything in here to run and drive, and I can move it and do stuff, because having stuff that don't run is aggravating. Go and run to O'Reilly's right quick, get a battery. I'm gonna come hose it off right quick as well. Get this thing by the lift. Needs brake works because I put that manual master on a booster. I don't like how it hits, so I'm gonna put it on the firewall, just like the green car. The alternator wire needs a little work. Couple of little knickknacks. Had a little lean pop and acceleration, but I guess it was just that spark plug wire blew off again. So I figure out why a spark plug wire keeps blowing off. That's odd. Pop that in, hook it up, see if she'll fire up. This thing been sitting for, I think, about a year now. All right, let's see if she'll pop off, y'all. All right, I gotta get in. Holy ant pile. Guess I ain't looked back here in a while. Man, it's like I'm fooling with a barn find right here. All right, let me get in here, y'all. This is how much rum I got, and this is how big I am. Y'all, made it in here by the hardest. And the interior in this thing kind of ass compared to the green car. Let's see if it'll do anything. Oh, well, that was lackadaisical. Wonder if the AC still works. If y'all remember, this 5.3 has a Hertz cylinder. So I think I'm gonna take that crest of the 5.7 and put it in here. Not hurt enough to not run, but just one cylinder is real low on compression, and it uses oil at like highway speeds. On Power Tour, I had to add a quarter oil every gas stop. So it'll run for right now, but I do want to swap a different LS block in here. Oh my gosh. Taking it around the block right quick just to shake off the spider webs. Then I'm gonna spray it off right quick, then start putting it by the lift. That fella just took me for a rip in his car pretty fast. Now I'm coming hose the dust off of this thing so we can start working on it. She clean, yeah. I think before I put it by the lift though, I think I'm gonna run it to cruise night tonight as is with the 68. That sounds like a good plan. Then I could start bringing it back to life. Come and check all the tire pressure, seeing it's been sitting for so long. Put a little tire shine on it. Then I'm gonna get this thing ready. All 4 tires had 20 pounds in them. I brought them back up to 35 for safety measures. All right, y'all, we got this car moved. Look at the stuff on the floorboard. Oh my God. Clean them up, we heading out. Gonna run the cruise night.
This thing is an animal.
And y'all should have filmed that Amanda's first race. Caprice versus Impala. I know for a fact that that thing's faster, but I told her to leave it in drive, and I know it shifts to like third before 20 mile an hour, so she was probably at 1,000 RPM, and I was ripping at 6,000. So I pulled her, but I guarantee you, she was manually shifting. That car would eat this 5.3's rash.